Welcome to Quick Math World. Today I solve cube root of unity. First, we know that omega cube is equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Now solve. First omega cube. First we convert all these omega 12, omega 58, omega 95 into omega cube. Now omega 12 plus. We split into omega 57 and omega 95 split into omega 97 and omega square. Now omega 12 we convert into omega cube. 4 3s are 12 and omega 57 we convert 57 into omega cube and 19 93s are 57 into omega 97 into omega cube and power is 31 into omega square. Now omega cube is equal to 1 power 4, omega cube 1 power 19 into omega cube 1 power 31 into omega square. Omega power 1 power 4 is 1 power 19 is 1 into omega, 1 power 31 is 1 into omega square equal to 0. 1 plus 1 omega is omega and 1 omega square is omega square, which is equal to 0. The answer is 0. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. This is the answer of omega 12, omega 58 plus omega 95. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to Quick Math World.